Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to fix shadow ban on TikTok. So let's get started. TikTok shadow ban is when TikTok limits the visibility of your account for a period. It happens when you violate any of the TikTok community guidelines. So first check which video is violated. Go to your TikTok profile. Tap the menu in the top right corner. Choose Creator Tools, then Analytics to find out which videos might be suppressed. Once you have found it, delete the content and wait at least 14 days to get the ban lifted. After that, refresh your page to check the status. If you have removed the problematic content and want to check if the ban has been lifted, try uninstalling and reinstalling the TikTok app on your device. Sometimes this can help resolve issues caused by cached data or outdated versions of the app. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.